morning student. My name is Ms. Rumsha Munawwar and I am your English teacher. Today our lecture number is lecture number 5 and we are going to do the grammar part, verbs. Do you know what are verbs? Verbs are called action words. The actions we are doing in our daily life, these are called verbs. Here is the definition of verb. Let's just discuss it. Verbs tell us about actions performed by a noun or a pronoun. Verbs वो होते हैं बेटा जो हमें किसी भी एक्शन के बारे में बताएं जो कि एक नाउन कर रहा है या फिर प्रोनाउन कर रहा है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल लाइक प्ले, वॉक, sleep. These are 3 examples only and there are various examples of this thing. Done? Let's just move to the book exercise and you may understand more correctly. This is unit number 9 and these are verbs. On page number 30 you can see there is a heading of verbs. Concept. Imagine you are running, sleeping or walking. What do all these actions have in common? अब बताएं कि आपको इन सब एक्शन में लाइक रनिंग, स्लीपिंग, वॉकिंग इनमें कॉमन चीज़ क्या लग रही है? These are the actions. ये सब क्या हैं? एक्शंस हैं. We do जो हम करते हैं. Words that show actions वो words जो हमें कोई एक्शन शो करवाएं लाइक रन भागना, स्लीप सोना एंड वॉक और चलना are called verbs. These are called verbs. So action words are called verbs. As I told you in my introduction, verbs are called action words. Definition of verb are: verbs tells us about action performed by a noun or a pronoun. Every sentence has a verb. Let us find the verb. Here are the examples. They play cricket. Over there in this sentence, play is the verb. Why? Because it shows some action that they are playing the cricket. वो cricket खेल रहे हैं. Second, I walk on the footpath. Here walk is the verb because it shows some action. We drive on the left. So here drive is a verb. Now we have a passage in which we can just see the verbs and put it on the exercise. So let's just read the passage. After the last bell, Ahmed picks his cycle and comes back home. At the door, he rings the doorbell and enters the house. He changes his clothes, then he washes his hand and mouth with soap. His mother cooks something healthful for him daily. Ahmed drinks a glass of water, takes his lunch and thanks his mom. You can see there are lots of verbs which are highlighted with the purple color as picks, comes, enters, changes, washes, rings, cooks, drinks, takes, thanks. So this is page number 30. Let's move to page number 31 for further exercise. Let's practice. Read the story again and write the verbs in the following blanks. We need to read it again and write the story into the blanks. As I told you earlier, and underline the verbs so it may easy for all of us to write the verbs in the blanks. So first one is picks, second is comes, third is rings, fourth enters, fifth changes, sixth washes, 7 cooks, 8 drinks, 9 takes, 10 thanks. So these are the verbs which are used in the passage. We have to write it in the blanks. So let's move to B part. Write the definition of a verb. As I told you the definition in the introduction, so we can write the definition over here like verb tell us about actions performed by a noun or a pronoun. Are you done with this? Let's move to the next. Part C. Think about your day. Write these sentences with action words. This is the creative part, students. As you know, you just think about your day, what you have done in your day. Like I just get up early in the morning. I get up early. In this sentence, get is the verb. So You may use verbs in the sentence and write 3 sentences in your own words. Done. Let's move to the filling in the blanks with the suitable verbs by using the help box. Here we have given the help box like get, jumps, rides, driving, combs, mop, climb. These are the verbs. We have to use it in these blanks. So let's do the exercise. First one is I dash up early in the morning. I get up early in the morning. She dash her hair daily. She combs her hair daily. We dash the floor in the morning. We mop the floor in the morning. The brother dash his new bicycle carefully. My brother dash his new bicycle carefully. My brother rides his new bicycle carefully. Next is my father is dash a car. My father is driving a car. Next is they dash up the stairs. They climb up the stairs. The 7th one is the cat dash over the fence. The cat dash over the fence. The cat jumps over the fence. Hope you understand the lecture about verbs. So in the next lecture we are going to introduce you with linking verbs. Thank you so much.